sun is just disappearing.
Hey dudes, so we're heading up the moors at the moment. There's a hell of a lot of four-wheel drives about. I seem to be the only hot hatch on the road at the minute, two-wheel drive. We got much closer to the top now. More noise behind us. So we're on top of the moor, and it is actually snowing. It's properly coming in now. The fields over that way are just white. So I'm going to take a slow cruise back. It's not going to get heavy, I'd say, for a good hour or so yet back home. But it's incredible how quickly it's settling up here, because it's so much colder at the top of the hill. So we're about 2 miles from Looe now. The coast seems to be getting it just as much as inland this time. I've stopped by the side of the road here, which is kind of safe, I suppose. We're now about a mile or so from Looe. The fields are absolutely covered. I am still going to endeavour to stop off for a pasty. This is my mission. I will not rest until I have the pasty in my hands. 3 miles to home and the roads are starting to go white. It is a bit concerning. Heading down into Polperro. We're going to do some drone work because the snow has actually stopped. I just recorded some Polperro. The sun is actually starting to come out, burst through the clouds. There's a lot of melt going on, there's a lot of water on the roads. So I'm heading to Looe next. So I just arrived down Hannaford and Looe now. It looks pretty cool on the hill, so I'm going to fly the drone. I'm also going to test out the new microphone in high winds. It's about 20, well, really 30 mile an hour gusts at the moment. I'm a bit worried about flying, but I suppose it's got to be done really. So I'm going to test my mic out and see if we get any wind noise. I'll show you a picture of it. Wow, look at that powder going off the roof. We're here for a quick walk.